So we'll continue with the page number 61 in the new textbook, sum number 11. Old textbook page number 78, sum number 15. See here, you have to write the journal entries of Mr. Sham. First one, see here, on to August 2017. On the date first, commenced business with cash, goods. So cash is coming in, goods means stock is coming in. Who is a giver means Sham is a giver. So here what is coming will come in the debit side. Who is a giver will come in the credit side. See the journal entry, cash is coming in. Goods and stock is same. It is come in the debit side. Who is a giver? Giver is a Sham. So we'll write as a Sham's capital account. We'll write 4 lakh, 5 lakh together add, and you will write in the credit side as a 9 lakh. Now second one, see. Sold, so second date, sold goods to A and money received to RTH. Sold means what? That is the income for you. Income will come in the credit side. So who is a receiver there? RTG means bank is a receiver. So receiver will come in the debit side. Income, sales is a income, that will come in the credit side. So here see here journal entry, bank account debtor to sales account is a receiver. This is a income for you. Next third one, see here, sold goods sold to Z on credit. நீங்கள் வந்து ஜட்டுக்கு கிரெடிட் கொடுத்து, யூ ஆர் எ செல்லர், இந்த ஜட் தான் பையர். ஸோ அவருக்கு நீங்கள் கிரெடிட் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. ஸோ சேல்ஸ் ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் வில் கம் இன் த கிரெடிட் சைட். That is the income for you. Then Z is a receiver who receives the credit for you. See the golden rule, receiver will come in the debit side, income will come in the credit side. So see the golden rules, Z's account to sales account is a receiver, it is a income. Next, bills drawn on Z and accepted by him 20,000. Bills drawn na நீ இங்கே ஜட்டுக்கு நீ கிரெடிட் கொடுத்துருக்கு இல்லையா, நீ தான் செல்லர், இந்த ஜட்டு தான் பர்ச்சேசர். இப்போ பர்ச்சேசர் வந்து நீ கிரெடிட் கொடுத்ததுக்காக அக்னாலேஜ் பண்ணி பில்லு உனக்கு ரிட்டர்ன் கொடுக்குறாரு. அந்த பில்லை வந்து நீ வாங்கிக்கிற. அப்போது அந்த பில்லை வந்து நீ பில்லுன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. வி ஹாவ் டு கன்சிடர் இட் ஆஸ் அ பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள். வி ஹாவ் டு கன்சிடர் இட் ஆஸ் அ பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள். ஸோ செல்லருக்கு அது பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள். ஊஸ் அ பையர், யார் பர்ச்சேசருக்கு அது வந்து பில்ஸ் பேயபிள். நம்ம ஏற்கனவே ஒரு சம்மில் பார்த்துருப்போம். ஓகே, ப்ரீவியஸ் சம்மில் பார்த்துருப்போம். ஸோ யூர் ஊஸ் அ ரிசீவர், யூ ஆர் த ரிசீவர். ஊஸ் அ கிவர், ஜட் இஸ் அ கிவர். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து உன்னோட எழுதக்கூடாது, யூ ஹாவ் டு கன்சிடர் இஸ் அ பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள்னு எழுதணும். ஸோ சி யூர் receivable, as a receive we are getting as a bills receivable. Who's a giver na? Giver is a Z. So we'll write the journal entry as a bills receivable account debtor to Z account. 8th date, bills received from Z is discounted with the bank. So already நம்ம கிரெடிட் கொடுத்துருக்கோம் ஜட்டுக்கு 20,000. அவருக்கு வந்து நீங்கள் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுத்துக்கிறீங்க அண்ட் இஸ் பேயிங் த அமௌண்ட் அஸ் 19,000. இப்போ இந்த 20,000ல் இ ஹாஸ் பெய்டு 19,000. அப்போது 1,000 rupees வந்து கொடுக்கல. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ டிஸ்கவுண்ட் யூ ஆர் கிவிங். நீங்கள் வந்து ஜட்டுக்கு வந்து 1,000 rupees வந்து டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுத்துக்கிறீங்க. அப்போ அந்த நீங்கள் கொடுக்குறதுனால தட் இஸ் அ expense for you, loss for you. Loss and expense and loss will come in the debit side. ஸோ இந்த ஜட்டு வந்து எப்படி கொடுக்குறாரு காசு? த்ரூ த பேங்க். அப்போ பேங்க் யார்? பேங்க் இஸ் அ ரிசீவர். ஸோ பேங்க் அண்ட் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வில் கம் இன் த டெபிட் சைட். அண்டு கிரெடிட் சைடு பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள், ஆஸ் அ பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள் இட் வில் கம் டு யூ. It will go out. Bills receive as a bills receivable, it will go out. So goes out will come in the credit side. See the golden rule. So receiver will come in the debit side and the expense and loss will come in the debit side. What is goes out will come in the credit side. See the journal entry, bank account receiver, discount you are giving, that is expense and loss, that will come in the debit side. Bills receivable, that is going out, that will come in the credit side. So 10th one, see the goods sold to M on credit. So sold will come as it is a income, so it will come in the credit side. Who is a receiver? M is a receiver. Receiver on the M will come in the debit side. See here, receiver, golden rule, receiver will come in the debit side. Income and gain will come in the credit side. So we'll write the journal entry as a M account, debtor to sales account. Sales is a income, M is a receiver. Next see 12th one, goods distributed as a free sample. You are taking the goods as a free sample, so that is the expense for you. Expense will come in the debit side. So you are taking the goods, so goods is going out, so going out will come in the credit side. See the golden rule, expense will come in the debit side. What is going out, goods is going out, will come in the credit side. So we'll write it as a sales promotion account, debtor to purchase account will write. Next see here 12th one. Next 16th one, see 16th date, goods taken for office use. So office use, that is a expense, will come in the debit side. What is going out, goods is going out. So goods is going out means we'll write it as a purchase account. So golden rule, see here, expense will come in the debit side. What is going out will come in the credit side. See here, we'll write as a office expense account, debtor to purchase account. So we are taking a goods means we have to write it as a purchase account. Next one, see number 17 date, M become insolvent and only 0.80, that means 80% per rupees is received in full settlement. So first see here M, where is the M here? Here you can see the M here. So M has to give how much means 12,000 he has to give. So he is giving as a 0.8, that means multiply into 0.8, the 80 paise if you do means we'll get it as a 9,600, but totally he has to give 12,000. So we have to minus from 12,000 minus 9,600 means how much will come? 2,400 will come. So this 2,400 is a bad debts because he is becoming insolvent. So he is become insolvent means he won't pay. So that is a bad, but that amount won't come. That is a meaning. So we have to treat it as a bad debt. So what is coming in? Cash is coming in. We'll write it as a debit side as a 9,600. Bad debt loss for us. So that will come in the debit side. Who is a giver? M is a giver. So that will come in the credit side. See the journal entry. Cash account, debtor to bad debts. That is cash is coming in, bad debts is a loss, both will come in the debit side. 9,600, 2,400, add it together, we'll write as a 12,000 as a full settlement of who's a giver there? M is a giver, we'll write as 2M's account. Go for 20th date, bill of a Z discounted with the bank. So here we can see Z is a receiver, bank is a giver. So here receiver will come in the debit side, giver will come in the credit side. So here see here Z's account, debtor to bank account. So the